Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just hanging out at home and we remembered that we have Ann Reardon's cookbook. We literally got this like 50 million years ago. I filmed a video. I was like, oh, can I make an Ann Reardon dessert in a camper? I never finished filming. Well, we are finally just gonna edit what I have and turn it into a video. I love her book. Let's get started. Now the first recipe from her book I'm trying is super simple. It's just 3 ingredients. It's these super cute little mini Oreo mousses. Let's get started. Well, these little desserts turned out so cute and tasty. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely try to get your hands on Crazy Sweet Creations. It's a super cool book. I got mine off of Amazon, I believe. Or no, I bought it from somewhere weird so that I could get a spiral bound one. I can't really remember. It's been so long ago. But definitely hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.